Welcome to Risha Simone's Recipe Tweaks. Well, go on. Happy to have you here this week. So I'll be showing you how I cut a whole chicken in 9 pieces. Normally persons would throw the back out, use it for chicken stock. Personally, I would curry it, stew it, or use it for soup. But I'm going to show you a technique that you can include the back of the chicken to the thigh and the breast. I know you're excited to see this, and I'm glad to show you. So let's get started. Okay guys, these are the things that you'll need for this tutorial. A whole chicken, of course, sharp knife, a cutting board, lemon juice, a dish for washing your chicken. I personally use parchment paper over my cutting board just to prevent the spread of salmonella in the kitchen and to avoid cross-contamination to food. Alright, let's get started. My chicken is already washed in lemon juice and I'm ready for the slicing. What I'm going to do is reposition the chicken on its head or its shoulders, whichever. That's the best way I could describe it. And we are going to cut the legs and the wings off. This position makes it so easy to find the joints, guys, and it makes the cutting process so very simple. You can give it a try if you've never done it like this. The easiest part of the process is finished. The legs and the wings are off. The next step, I'm going to show you how to include the back of the chicken to the thighs. Alright, so here we go. I'm going back in the reverse position. This is what we're gonna do. We want the thighs and the back of the chicken to be joined. So we're gonna make a distinction between the breasts and the thighs. Zine, once that distinction is made, you're going to cut down the middle, break the back of the thighs, and sever it with the knife from the remaining chicken. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're not finished yet. Once the thigh and the back is separated from the remaining chicken, you're going to cut a straight line down the middle of the meat to separate the two thighs, just like this. Great job, guys, great job so far. So here we have the back of the chicken connected to the thighs, and in the next section we will be connecting the back of the chicken with the breast. So good job so far. If you look on this part of the chicken, you'll notice that there are 2 sections. One is breast only and the other is breast connected to the back of the chicken. We're going to remove the breast only with one clean cut like this. We're at the last piece of chicken, and if you notice there is a back and the breast attached at the front. We're just gonna cut it down the middle and make some cleanup as we did earlier. This is it, guys. We have done a great job. We took down a whole chicken, cutting it into 9 pieces without wasting the back. If you have never seen chicken cut this way, I would love to hear your views. Your views are very, very important. And please share this video with your friends so it gives them new ideas on how to cut their chicken. Thanks for all the persons who have already subscribed. Really appreciate you. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that bell so you know when I post new videos. And until next week, ciao, bye. What good?